Well, in today's video, we'll see how to create your own first trading bot from scratch without programming skills. You'll be able to do that in a matter of minutes and for absolutely free. All you need to do is just simply 3 steps, which is to actually have a proven strategy that works. Secondly, have a clear understanding of the strategy. And thirdly, have an experience in trading. But honestly, you don't actually need any of the 3 steps right there, which is why I'm going to walk you through a very simple strategy to do just that. Create your own first trading bot without any programming skills right here in this video. So if you're new to the channel OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways to make money online, either with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and other ways right there. And you can actually scroll through my channel. If you do like such kind of videos, make sure you do hit the like button to the channel right there. Subscribe to the channel and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos to help you boost your income online. With that being said, no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. So guys, firstly, you want to just simply head onto this platform called Google and go to searching for the EA Trading Academy. If you just search for that right now, guys, you'll be able to select the first option right now, and it's going to bring you right here to this particular platform, which is the eatradingacademy.com. and you can actually go on to find out that this is a 21-day ultra algo program, and you can actually see that you could join their free 21-day online program and learn intensively about the expert advisors, strategy builders, and algorithm trading. You can actually click on get started to actually gain access to the free 21-day online program that actually go on to teaching you to learn online at your own place, because you can learn online at your own place. You can actually master trading with robots. You can actually go on to utilizing professional strategy builders right now. You can actually see right here that the courses cover the major aspects of trading, which involve Forex trading, crypto trading, stock trading, also commodity trading, NFT, FTMO challenges, and so on and so forth. So this is a very cool platform you could just simply go on to leveraging. And the cool thing is that you have a free 21-day online program. So guys, to gain access to the bot section, you want to just simply come onto this EA Builders, select the EA Advisor Studio. That's going to bring you to this page right here where you can go on to generating thousands of expert advisors with the EA Studio right now. And it is the fastest and most reliable trading strategy builder. As you can see right now, you can actually go on to utilizing the generator for one-click strategy generator, the collection to select the best strategies, the strategy right here to automate your manual trading, and actually go on to strategy portfolio available. So you can actually see the contents of this particular platform right here, and you can just simply go on to testing this for absolutely free because you have a 21-day free trial. You can actually go on to buying this for about $1,490 right there, but since you have a 21-day free trial, you just need to go on to utilizing the free trial to make as much money as you can before going on to purchasing this right there and go on to making much more money. So right now guys, once you're on the platform, click on test it for free. Once you do go to testing it for free and register for the platform with your email address, guys, all you need to do right now guys is just simply to come onto the generator section right here. Guys, you can see that you are actually on the historic data section. In this section guys, you can actually go into selecting your data source. You can actually go into editing your symbols right now to your preference. You can go on to selecting the period, make sure it's on H1. You can see the strategy properties right now. You can go on to editing your entry loss right now, and you can see the entry amount is about 100 or 10,000 euros right there of margin. You can edit any amount which you actually do want right there in that section. You can go on to editing the trading direction if you do want a long and short-term trading or a long trading only. You can check the opposite entry signal, edit that to your preference. You can go on to utilizing stop loss if you do want to, and you could always use stop loss or do not use stop loss. You can actually go on to taking out your profits if you want to use the take profit option or the do not use take profit option, or you may actually use one right there. Once you're done with that section, head on to the generator settings, and the generator settings is actually for you to go into selecting a very cool setting right here. As you can see, this is on the net balance, which you can actually use right here for your generator. You can actually go into utilizing for any one of these right here, including the R squared. And guys, Once you actually come onto this section right here, you could go into selecting your out of sample right now. If you want to use in sample or the percentage of out sample right there, you can go into selecting the maximum entry of indicators and the maximum exit indicators right there. Once you are done right now, you could just simply go into checking out the acceptance criteria right now. As you can see, it's actually on a net minimum profit of 10 and a minimum count of 200 trades right now. You can actually see more details right here of which you can edit. Once you're actually done editing this right there, I'm just going to go back to the settings right now. You can actually go into checking the available indicators, the preset indicators, translators, but that's not actually quite necessary to do all that. Once you're actually done right here with this, you just want to go onto the generator section, and you can actually click on start right now. And as you can see right here, that the calculate is actually calculating right now, and you actually do have two ascended strategies, which is actually trading strategies or models you can go on to utilizing. So if you do go onto the collection section right now, on the collection section, you'll be able to see the trading strategies right here that you could just simply go on to utilizing right here. As you can see right here, for each strategy is actually having an estimated net profit, a profit per day, a maximum drawdown, and a return / drawdown right here. You can actually see the count of trades right now for each of the profit right here. So each of them are actually having a very cool graph right now, which you could just simply go into utilizing right there. If you do see the generator section, this is actually for the balance chart right now, and you can just simply go into checking out the collection section for as many other strategies that you can just simply go into utilizing right now. The strategies are quite numerous because you can actually just go from page to page right there. As you can see, it has about 47 strategies that have actually been generated right now. You could filter your strategies based on any of these options, maybe the net balance, the maximum drawdown. You can filter based on R squared right here, and actually go on to filtering, select the best strategy for you. You can then just simply go on to downloading right there and actually export based on the collection, the MT4 expert zip or the MT5 experts right here. And you can actually export that, then head on to professional trading platforms. Maybe you could use the Black Bull right now to go on to trading with that particular model right there or that particular strategy. So you can actually go on to leveraging a demo account right now to utilize that strategy right now and actually see how cool the AI bot actually is. You can go on to utilizing other strategies or other platforms like the forex.com, utilize that for trading, and check out how cool and accurate the bot actually is in his particular strategies that were actually generated right there. And if that's actually how cool it is, or if it's cool right there, you just need to go on to implementing that and go on to making some cool cash online with such strategies, and in turn that will actually give you some cool capital that you can use to go on to paying for this particular platform and continue using that after the end of your 21 days trial. So basically, this is a cool strategy I advise you take advantage of. If you have any questions, leave that in the comment section down below. And guys, thank you all for watching. I do hope you do like the video. Do hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.